Hey guys, what's up? So today in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching the concept and like how the XML HTTP request works, and I'm also going to teach you guys how to code one request. Okay, so as you can see over here, basically how it works is basically the XML HTTP request. It sends a request to the server, and the server gives a response if you can access the local file or not. Okay, so in this case, the local files for me is tutorial or txt. And I'm going to be writing my JavaScript locally on the HTML file, HTML5 file. Okay, so I have this thing over here. XHR is what we're going to do, which stands for XML HTTP request, which stands for Extensible Markup Language, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and then request. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that you'll do is you create an XHR object instance. So for XHR equals new XML HTTP request, and then xhr.add event listener. When it gets loaded, when you want to create a function, and then you can put anything in the function. And then we're going to do xhr.open because you're going to open a file. Well, we're going to get the file, and in this case, my file's name is called tutorial.txt. And then we're going to put true, okay? And then xhr.send, so we're going to send the request. And then over here, we can just print everything in the file by doing for sentences equals to null. And then we can do sentences equals to xhr.response text, so like everything inside it, dot split. And then in my case, I'm gonna put a dot because my lines are separated by dots, full stops. Okay, and then I'm gonna for loop to print everything in the array of strings. So for I equals 0, I should be smaller than sentences dot length and I plus plus. Okay, now document dot write. We want to print each element, so sentences of the I and then plus break. Okay, see if that'll work, and it worked. Okay, so that's quite simple. That's how an XML HTTP request works, and yeah, it's pretty simple. So you first declare the instance, and then you have the array of sentences, and then this is what you're going to do when the file is loaded. This is how you open the file, and this is how you send the request. Okay, so and this over here is like the splitting the lines into and giving it to the array. And this is just printing, going through each element and then printing the element onto the document or the web page. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.